Ever feel like you're flying blind when it comes to understanding how your sales team is actually performing? You've got NetSuite, that powerhouse of business management, but are you truly unlocking its potential to gain crystal-clear insights into individual sales rep contributions? Let's face it, simply knowing the total revenue isn't enough. You need to understand who is driving those numbers, what they're selling, and how effectively they're converting opportunities. Without that granular detail, you're missing crucial opportunities to identify top performers, pinpoint areas for improvement, and ultimately, boost your overall sales success. Think about it. Are some reps consistently exceeding targets while others are struggling? Are certain product lines easier or harder to sell for specific individuals? Are your reps effectively managing their pipelines and closing deals efficiently? These are the kinds of questions that a robust sales performance tracking system within NetSuite can help you answer. Now, you might be thinking, NetSuite has reports, doesn't it? Absolutely. But often, those standard reports require significant customization and manipulation to truly deliver the insights you need. We're going to dive into practical ways you can leverage NetSuite's features, and perhaps even explore some clever customizations to build a powerful system for tracking your sales reps' performance. So where do we begin? The foundation of effective tracking lies in ensuring you have the right data points captured accurately. This means taking a close look at your NetSuite setup. First, sales roles and territories are key. Are your sales roles clearly defined within NetSuite? Do you have territories properly assigned to your reps? This foundational structure is crucial for segmenting your sales data and attributing performance correctly. Make sure your employee records accurately reflect their sales roles and that your territory management is up to date. This will allow you to filter and analyze data based on specific teams or individuals. Next, opportunity management is your friend. The opportunity record in NetSuite is where the magic happens. Ensure your sales team is diligently updating opportunity stages, expected close dates, and estimated revenue. Consistency here is paramount. Consider implementing standardized sales processes and training your team on the importance of accurate and timely updates. The more detail you capture at the opportunity level, the richer your performance insights will be. Think about customizing opportunity forms to include fields that are specific to your sales process, such as lead source, competitor information, or reasons for lost deals. Now, let's talk about getting that data out and making it meaningful. NetSuite offers a range of reporting and saved search capabilities that you can leverage. Saved searches, your custom insight engine. Saved searches are incredibly powerful for creating tailored reports. You can build searches that focus specifically on sales transactions, filtering by sales rep, date range, item, territory, and a multitude of other criteria. Want to see the total sales closed by each rep in the last quarter? A saved search can do that. Need to identify reps who are consistently missing their forecasted revenue? A saved search can highlight those discrepancies. When building your saved searches, think about the key performance indicators, KPIs, that matter most to your business. These might include total sales revenue, a fundamental metric, but break it down by rep and time period. Number of deals closed, tracks activity and conversion rates. Average deal size, indicates the value of deals each rep is closing. Sales cycle length, measures the time it takes for a rep to close a deal. Quota attainment, compares actual sales against assigned targets. Pipeline value, shows the potential future revenue each rep is managing. Win rate, the percentage of opportunities that are successfully closed. For each of these KPIs, create saved searches that allow you to view the data by individual sales rep. You can then save these searches and even add them to your NetSuite dashboard for a real-time overview. Customizing dashboards for visibility. Your NetSuite dashboard is your command center. Utilize portlets to display your key sales performance saved searches visually. Charts and graphs can make it much easier to quickly identify trends and outliers. Consider creating a dashboard specifically for sales management that provides a consolidated view of team and individual performance. Advanced reporting with Suite Analytics. For more sophisticated analysis and visualization, explore Suite Analytics workbooks. These allow you to combine data from multiple sources, create pivot tables, and build interactive dashboards. This can be particularly useful for identifying correlations between different factors and sales performance. For example, you could analyze if reps who engage in more follow-up activities have a higher win rate. Beyond standard features, consider these more advanced strategies. Leveraging NetSuite workflow and SuiteScript. For more complex tracking requirements, you can explore NetSuite's customization tools. Workflows can automate certain aspects of data capture, ensuring consistency. For example, you could create a workflow that automatically updates a days to close field on the opportunity record when the status changes to closed one. SuiteScript, NetSuite's JavaScript-based scripting language, allows for even deeper customization, enabling you to create custom reports, calculations, and even integrate with external systems. Setting meaningful goals and quotas. Tracking performance is only valuable in the context of clear goals. Ensure you have well-defined sales quotas and targets for each rep. NetSuite allows you to set quotas and track progress against them, providing another crucial dimension to your performance analysis. Regular performance reviews and feedback. The data you gather in NetSuite should inform your coaching and feedback sessions with your sales team. Use the insights to celebrate successes, identify areas for development, and provide targeted training and support. Remember, the goal of performance tracking isn't just to measure, but to empower your team to improve. Don't forget activity tracking. While sales revenue is the ultimate outcome, tracking leading indicators like calls made, meetings held, and demos conducted can provide valuable insights into a rep's effort and engagement. Consider logging these activities within NetSuite or integrating with other sales productivity tools. By implementing these strategies, you can transform your NetSuite instance into a powerful sales performance management tool, providing you with the clear visibility you need to drive revenue growth and empower your sales team. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.